Hello my dear friend, welcome to this new topic where we'll be learning dynamic VLOOKUP with offset. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I will tell you, you will find the data in the bottom and the answer which I have done in the top and your practice set also on the top. See why I have kept this type of data and okay. So the reason is, if suppose, don't think that it's a HR data. Okay, I have taken the same data for every sheet. Okay, what you have to do is and assume that this is a sale data. Okay, so what will happen in the business? You will get the sales data updated regularly, right? If suppose you say, if you take the company of any big companies, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, firstcry.com, any company. Okay, if you take any company, even if it's a small business also, no problem, he will be having sales on a daily basis. Okay, so what he will do, he will simply capture all the data. Okay, he will place heading at only first time. What he will do, he will keep the data, he will keep the data. Okay, next day what he will do, he will again add the data. Third day he will again add the data, row by row he will add, he will be adding the data. Okay, if any new column is getting added, he will add the columns also. Okay, so what happens here is, when you add the data in the columns and you when add the data in the rows, so what happens is you have to shift your answers to the down also, to the bottom. Okay, suppose you have done your practice here. Okay, so when new data will get added, what to do, we have to shift this data, two lines data, to the down. Okay, again you have to add some data. Okay, so what will happen, whenever, see, daily you can't do like this, right? So my suggestion is, if you have this type of data, I mean sales type of data or any other type of data where the data is getting added regularly. Okay, so what you have to do is keep this data in sheet 1. Okay, leave that sheet, don't do anything. Come to sheet 2, do all your like this, I mean practice here. Okay, or any type of calculations you must do in sheet 2. Okay, sheet 1 for only data, leave that sheet 1 for data. Okay, then this dynamic VLOOKUP will work with offset. Okay, how, I will tell you, but I have taken here why, to show you in one sheet, so it will be very clear for you, you will understand very clearly. Okay, after that you can shift the data in sheet 1 and you can do the answers in do the calculations or do the practice in sheet 2. Okay, with the help of offset. See, if you click here, come to data validation. See, I have taken the list, same thing as other, same thing, because we have list, but in the source, see, I have given offset formula. Okay, you can see this offset formula. What is that offset formula? I will teach you in detail, no, don't worry about this, but we have to give this offset formula. What it will do, it will dynamically create the drop down list. Okay, on the basis of data. If suppose new data got added, okay, some 10 rows we added, some 2 columns we added, directly and automatically it will get added in the drop down list and it will get added in the lookup data also. Okay, so that's the main important thing you want. Okay, we will do like this. Okay, in the offset data. So let's understand the first of all formula. What is that data validation formula? See, first of all, what I will do is I will copy this formula and I will paste here. Okay, see, this is a formula, but see, if you paste here you will get the error. Okay, why it is an error? Because if you see, I have entered height also. Okay, what is that? See, I will tell you in detail what is that, why we are getting this error here. When we are placing this same formula in the data validation, our data validation is coming correctly, 100% correct, accurately, but here it is failing, it's showing a value error. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you. See, suppose you want to see the formula here, what you will do, you will simply click here and you will see the formula here is equal to offset, you will see the formula in the formula bar. But what if I will tell you, I want the formula to be displayed here? There is one very good formula, I think many of you will not be knowing about this. I will tell you, that is formula text, FORM. Okay, formula text. See, returns a formula as a string. It will take the formula, okay, and it will convert it as a text. Okay, see, I will show you. See, it will ask only reference. This is my reference, J4. Just enter. See, it will show you the formula. See, this is actually formula we have applied, but it's showing as an error because it's giving us a formula's answer. But here it is giving formula as a text. Okay. See, offset A12 00 counted from this cell to this cell. Okay, we have selected like this. So what is offset function? So remember this formula, my dears. Formula text. Very useful formula. Okay. Now you'll understand what is offset. Is equal to offset. See, you can see the description here, but you won't be able to understand what is this. Okay, so because they keep in a Excel language. Okay, they keep in a little high language in a Excel language. It's a little bit difficult to understand. Okay, so I will tell you like this way. Suppose I am here. I want to take the bottle from the next room. Okay, I am here. I want a bottle, but it is in the next room. So what? Suppose, see, I am telling about a real example. Okay, don't think about no offset. Then you will understand properly how offset is working. Okay, I am here. I will tell to the offset, I am here. Okay, start from here, go to straight, turn left, again turn left, take the bottle and come here. Okay, I will tell the offset. I will place all the arguments like that only. What he will do? He will bring the bottle to me. Okay, but in daily life it is not happening. In real life it will not happen. Okay, if you tell the foreigner to bring the bottle from the next room, it won't bring. Okay, I'm just giving you as an example. Okay, don't worry. See, so this is the formula. I'm telling you how the formula works. Okay, offset, give the reference where you are. I am here. Tell him the way. Go straight, turn left, then turn left. Take the bottle, come here. That's it. Okay, the formula works like that only. Offset formula. See, now we'll tell you practically in the Excel way. Okay, see, it's asking for the first one is a reference number. It's asking different numbers. I mean, where is your starting point? As I told you in the example, here is the I am is the starting point. Okay, offset formula, he has to start from here. From here he has to go straight, again turn left, turn left. Okay, he will reach the destination. He will bring me the bottle. Same also, here also we have to give the reference. Reference means starting point, from where I have to start. Okay, he will not be understanding. Okay, because Excel is very big. From where it will start, you have to give the reference. Okay, if suppose I give the reference from here, because see, your start point is here, employee name as a start point. How many rows I have to come down? Suppose if I want data of Muhammad Rafi gross income. Okay, I want Muhammad Rafi gross income here. Okay, I will tell him that is the employee name is a starting point. I will select as a reference. How many rows I have to come down? See, reference is always the 0 position. Okay, suppose employee's number is there, it's the 0 position. From here we have to start 1. After this is 0. After that, from here we have to start 1 position. This is 0. For rows, that is a 0 point. For columns also, that is a 0 point. Think this, it is a 0. We have to start from the 0. Okay, so I want Muhammad Rafi. So this is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will give it as a 4. How many columns you have to go? Okay, if it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth column in data. I have the data. Okay. For some time, my dears, leave about height and width. Okay, if you place there is no use of height and width here. Okay, because height and width is used with the other formulas. Suppose one formula is there, you have to make it dynamic. How will you do dynamic? With the help of offset. When you will combine two formulas, then you will use height and width. Okay, in simple, like this data, you won't be using height and width. Suppose if you give some height and width, you will get error, as we are getting in the J column. You can see top. G value error we are getting. Okay, so for first of all understand what is normal offset, then we'll go for advanced level. Okay, just bracket close, enter. See, it gave me the data 17704. See, Mohammed Rafi data, gross income. See, Mohammed Rafi gross income. See, this is the value 17704. 17704. You got the answer. Okay, so this is the way it works. Okay, now I will tell you what is the count a function, because I have used count a function in the height. See here, you got my point in reference, rows and columns. Okay, 3 are clear. Now what is height? Height means if you want to take the data from this is a starting point and this is a ending point. If you want to take the data, all this data in between the start, if with starting and ending, including this starting and ending, we want all the data from here to here. Okay, then we will give that cell list as a from here to here, will give reference as in the height. Okay, so what will take? It will take the whole data. Okay, so same I have given count A12 to A 10,40,506. I have taken up to the last. Why? I will tell you. Okay, I'm sorry. So now you have to understand what is count a function. Why I have used the count a function. Okay, first of all you have to understand. Then we will combine all the formula. First we will combine count a with offset. Then we will combine with VLOOKUP. I mean VLOOKUP is different. We'll be applying VLOOKUP separately and these two separately. Okay. So what is count a function? See, you can understand here. Counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. What you will do, suppose if from here to here this many we have selected the cells, okay, but you have data up to here only. So what he will do, he will count from here to here only. He will leave the blank cells. He won't count blank cells. Okay. I will show you an example. See, from employee name to here, see, I will select 17 rows. See, you can see beside my cursor 17R into 1C. What is the meaning of that? 17 rows means 17R means 17 rows. I have selected from top to bottom 17 rows into one column. I am in the first column only. Okay, I mean I have selected only one column. So I have selected 17 rows. Leave it. Okay, press enter here. See, it is giving me 13 as the answer. Why 13 as the answer? Because I have selected 17. Okay, see, you can clearly see I have selected 17, but it is giving me 13 as the answer. Why? Because the data is in only 13 columns. See here, you can below you can see count here, you can see 13 only. Okay, so I in the 17 cells, out of 17 cells, I have data in 13 columns only. So it will return it as 13 only. It won't count the blanks. It will remove the blanks. Okay. Why we are counting? Why we are including count a here means you want to make it dynamic drop down list. Suppose the new data get added, new entries added from here to here. Okay, from 4 data. So what we will be doing? We will be selecting from here to the end of the Excel. Okay, in the A column we will start from the A12 because our names start from here and select up to down to the Excel. We will go down. Okay, up to the end of the Excel. We will select the whole data with the blanks. But if you select like this in the normal data validation list, what will happen? It will show 10 lakhs. It will show the data also after complete. After Sandeep Kujul, it will show you 10 lakhs data as a blank also. In the drop down list you will find some blanks also. You can select the blanks also. Okay, but we don't want blanks. So I told you offset, I told you count a function. Now we will combine and we will make our drop down list dynamic. Okay, that will update automatically. So I will delete all these things. See, I have created one drop down list. So let's create a drop down list also. Come here. And one more thing, my dears. Okay, I will show you practically, then you will understand. Okay, see, come here, data validation. Take the list and here apply the offset formula is equal to offset bracket open. If you see here, you won't find any arguments. Okay, see, nothing is showing. Okay, in the Excel, when we are selecting the offset formula, it shows some below. It will show some arguments, but here it is not showing. So how will you do? You will get confused. You will give row first, column first, row later, width first, height later. So it won't show you error also, my dears. If you do some mistake here, suppose if you click OK, this box will get closed. Your drop down list will not work. You won't understand where is the mistake also. Okay, so what I will do is first do in Excel, then copy that formula, paste here, simple. Okay, we'll do here is equal to offset. Where is our reference? You have to tell him where is our reference. I mean, where is the starting point? This is our starting point. Mahesh Ahuja is the starting point, comma. How many rows we have to shift? No rows. See, rows means like this. Okay, this is column. This is rows. This is columns. Okay, so how many rows we have to shift down? No rows. That is our starting point. You should not shift down. Okay, so we'll keep 0, comma. How many columns we have to shift? No columns we have to go to shift. We have to be there only. 0 columns. Now it comes height. What is your height? I mean, from which point to which point you want to capture, you have to capture the data. See, if you see, click on just A12. Okay, A12 is our starting point. So what is our ending point? End cell of the A column. Okay, because all the names will be there in the first column only. Okay, so we just click here, A12. Press and hold Control Shift. Okay, just press and hold Control Shift, then press down. Okay, Control Shift down. See, it will go to the last cell. Okay, it will set the whole cell. Start from this. It will come to the last cell. If you press Control Shift down one time, then again we have to press same Control Shift down. Control Shift down. Down means down key. See, it will come to the end of the data, end of the Excel. Okay, that is the cell number is 10,48,576. Okay, we have to select up to the end. Okay, now how to go up? There's 2 ways. First one, it is a normal way. You can simply come here and you can drag to the up, but it is very difficult. You have to drag the cells up to starting 10 lakh cells. 10 lakhs lines. You have to go up. It is very difficult. There is one shortcut also. Control plus backspace. Hold the control, press and hold the control, press backspace. Control backspace. See, you will come to the up. Okay. See, whatever the data you have selected, it will be same only. See, from A12 you can see from A12 to 10,40,576. One more thing. We have to apply count here. Don't select like that only. Okay. Apply formula here. Count. Okay. Then select the value. Now close the bracket for count. Okay. There is no need of it because we want only column, because employee name will be column. We don't want any weights. Okay. So simply close the bracket for offset also. Okay. Then press enter. See, you will get the value error. Because see, we have entered the height. Okay, and we use height with the help of some formula, with combining with the formulas. Okay, if you directly use, you will get the error. If you do simple enter, you will get the error. But we need this formula. It will work in the data validation. Okay, press F2, select this data, copy it. Okay, now click here because we want data validation to be here. Data validation, select the list. Don't forget to select the list because we have list. We have this much height. So that is a list. Press here, click here, source. Paste the formula. Simply paste the formula. Don't do anything. Simply click on OK. See, now if you want, you can delete it. This one, no problem. See, from Mahesh Ahuja to Sandeep Kujur, we got the data. See, we got all the data. Okay, it means our data is working properly, our formula is working, offset formula is working properly. Okay, see, here I have applied the normal VLOOKUP, but there is only one change in table array. Okay, where we select the tables. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, is equal to apply the VLOOKUP. Where is my lookup value? This is my lookup value. Fix it, because we want to fix it. We don't want to move it when we drag from here to here. Okay. What is my table array? Now what you will do, see, generally what we do, we select the table from here to here. Okay. So when the new data will get added in the rows or in the columns, so how it will get updated? How it will get updated? It won't update. Okay. For that, what you have to do is, okay, in the table array, just click on this 11. Don't select employee name. Just click on 11. It will select the whole line up to the last column. Okay. Same. Control Shift down twice. Control Shift down will come to the end. Control Shift down come to the end. It will select the whole data in the Excel up to the last column. Okay. Control backspace, come to the up. Okay. So it will show you. It will. So what we've done is we selected all the data in the Excel. Okay. From the column side, from the row side. Okay. We selected all the Excel. Full Excel we selected. If you add if you want to add how many columns you want to add, 10, 20, 50, don't worry about that. Your data will get updated automatically. Okay. So that's the power. And one more thing I want to tell you. See, I have selected without entering any formula. But if you search in Google or in YouTube that dynamic VLOOKUP, okay. Only if you select dynamic VLOOKUP also, if you don't type dynamic VLOOKUP with offset, if you don't type like that, if you just simply type dynamic VLOOKUP, they will tell you to apply the offset here. Okay. See, in the table array, see, I have selected only from 11 to 10 lakhs 40,576, but they will tell you to apply here also to offset formula. Okay, to make it dynamic. But I don't want to make you confused. Okay, when the data you can select like that only in a simple way, and you can select, in simple you can make it dynamic. Then what is the use of again applying here offset? You simply, I'm telling you, if you watch that video, you will get confused. For some period of time, it will be easy for you. You will understand, but after 1 week or 2 weeks, you will simply forget. You won't be able to understand how to give offset formula here. Okay, when we can take the when we can select all the data normally, then what is use of offset? No use. But they will tell you like that only. They will tell you to apply offset here. Then select the height. Height and width. They will tell you. In the offset function we have height and width at the last. Okay, so they will tell you to select like this, height and width. But what is the use when we can select the data normally? Then what is the use of selecting using the offset formula? No use. Just make it in a we have used in the drop down, because we want this to be updated, okay, according to our data, and we have to remove the blanks also. Okay, we want to update only the names, remove the blanks all the cells. That's why we have given the offset there, but they will tell you here also. Okay, so what's the use when you can select the normally? Then what is the use? No use. When your stomach is full, will you eat something? No, you won't eat something. You won't eat anything, right? This is also here. When we can select the data normally, what's the use? No use. Simply leave it. Okay. Comma, column index number. Simply we'll make it dynamic here only. Okay, by giving the columns formula. Columns array for take. See, we are in basic. So what's the basic data? If this is 1 and 2. So we'll select here. We'll select here. Okay. See in the formula bar. I will select here. I will press F4 to make it dynamic. Okay. Bracket close for that one. Columns and comma. You can select false also for exact match, and 0 also for same exact match. See, I am selecting because you can do it in a faster way. Okay. If you select 0, it will show you exact match. If you select 1, it will show you approximate match. Okay. See, always 99% we use exact match only. We keep 0 only. At sometimes only for the sometimes when the data is not exact, we have to take the approximate match. Okay. then only we take the approximate match. Okay, then only we type 1. But maximum cases, 99% cases, we keep 0 or false. So simply remember 0, bracket close, enter. See, we got the data, Mahesh Ahuja. Then what you do is simply drag it from here to here. See Mahesh Ahuja. Okay, don't check there, check here. My Sanjay 22 4544 3323 232 731. We'll check one more. With Rashish 5081 122 322 333 453 14 See, we got the data. Okay, but still you can see that's a normal drop down, normal look. Okay, we have to, I will show you how we made it dynamic. Okay, for checking practically, you need some data, right? In the columns you need some data, and in the rows also you need some data. So how will you check? Where is the data? You will ask me, Vicky, there is no data, you have not provided any data. Okay, so let me tell you. You can see the last but one sheet here, this one. You will see the sheet name is extra data for dynamic VLOOKUP. Okay, I have provided the data there. Okay, some columns I have provided, some rows I have provided. So what we will do, we'll just copy and paste, and we'll see whether our drop down list is getting updated or not, whether the lookup data is getting updated or not. Okay, just we'll copy and paste. Assume that we got the new sale entries, or whatever you think, or data got updated, whatever you think. Okay, come to the extra data. See, in the columns I have given you 2 columns. In the rows I have added these 4 person names. Okay, you see, if you want to take first columns, take columns. If you want to take first rows, no problem. Okay, you can take as it is. I will show you as it is. See, take these 2 columns, copy it, come to dynamic VLOOKUP, paste here beside the heading. Okay, PFL net salary. Suppose these 2 columns got added newly, PFL net salary, and this is extra rows. Okay, select these rows. Okay, suppose these 4 persons, newly had persons. Okay, copy it, come to the here, press cursor here, paste it. Okay, so see, now our data got increased by 2 columns, PF net salary, and 4 new persons joined the company. Okay, so their data got added. See, before we had data from up to here to here, Sandeep Kuchu. We got 2 columns got added, 4 rows added. So now we will check when we added new columns and new rows. We go when the data got updated. What is happening with the drop down list? Is it getting updated dynamically, automatically, or is our data, VLOOKUP data, getting updated normally? Automatically and dynamically. We will check. Okay, so we will see here, and we need without blanks also. Okay, don't forget about blanks. See, starting data is Mahesh Ahuja. Okay, see here. After Sandeep Khujur, we got Balaji Gupta, Karan Arora, Preeta Sharma, Samir Jindal. If you click here, this is the last name. We don't have any blanks also. Okay, see, these 4 names got updated automatically. What we did, just we added the new data. That's it. Simple, my dears. Our drop down list got updated automatically, dynamically. No need to do anything. No need to apply formula once again. No need. Just apply the formula one single shot. That's it for this Excel. Khel khatam. Simple. Okay, so see, it got added, 4 names got added. Okay, so we made our drop down list dynamically. It is completed. Okay, we checked also. Now we will check whether our lookup data is getting updated or not. Okay, for that we have to copy this new heading also, because we need heading, right? And simply drag from here to here. Let's see what is happening with Mahesh Ahuja. See the Mahesh Ahuja. See, 7321, PF 1200, 1621. See, we got the updated it also. See, this is the power of dynamic VLOOKUP with offset. Okay, we didn't do anything, my dears. Just we copy the data and paste it here. That's it, simple. Our drop down list got updated, our lookup data got updated. one more thing I will tell you. I will check new names also. Okay, I will show you new names whether it is getting updated or not. By selecting the lookup data is getting updated or not, we will check also. Okay, come to the, we'll take Preeta Sharma. See, data got updated. We will check. Self 85 3344 2589 4561 446 19871 1789 18082. See how our data is getting updated without doing anything, just applying formula only and only single time, my dears. So for this video, my dears, this much only, and we will meet in the next video, that is H lookup. Okay, so thanks for now. Bye bye.